Does your remote do that? If not, you need to resync your remote. Today's video is going to show you how to sync the new style Poultry Hawk remote and the multi-unit remote. So let's go to Mel, our lead technician, and he'll show you.
Today we're going to do a video on the new 100-407 Premium remote and the 100-408 E-Series. We're going to show you how to pair to the control board. So in order to pair the 407 and the 408, you reach in, you find the learn buttons in line with the antenna, and you push one time and you'll see the remote light, the middle light comes on and starts flashing. I just push 4 of these buttons just to communicate with it. Then I'll reach in and I'll stop the process. It should be paired. Now in order to see if it's connected, push the stop button. Your remote light, the number 3 light comes on. So then I come out on the outside of the control box and I look at the screen. Normally it starts in the middle. So you push twice, it goes down to 30%. If you push it 5 times, it takes it up to 100. If you have tried pairing and you're having trouble, first check the battery. If it's over 3 volts and you've tried pairing it to the board and that still doesn't operate, you may want to reset the remote itself. This is for both the 407 or the 408. The little reset button in here, you push it once, you'll see the light blink blue, and I just leave it go till it stops. That clears everything out of the memory. All right, then we're going to press it again, just momentarily. While that's flashing, you go on the back side, on the front side of the remote, and you push each one of these 2 times. Now the remote is cleared out. Now you'll have to go back to the control board and push the learn button, communicate with it with a couple buttons. Return to the learn button, push the stop. We got a remote light. So let's go to the front of the board, see if we got connection. And we got connection. We'll change the speed. Now you should be able to operate it. In order to sync the new multi-unit remote, push the power button, the lights come on, and then you select the house you want. Push it twice sort of rapidly and you can arrow to the house you select. Push and hold the house button, your light's on. Now in order to pair it, you reach in here and you push the learn button. And when the remote light is flashing, now you push a number of buttons on the remote. Then I'll reach in and I'll stop the process. It should be paired. After you program it and you're synced to the control board, then I come out here to the display screen and normally it would start in the middle. So you just push your speed and it takes it down to 30%. Now you just push and hold.